Hello everyone, my name is Bibi Mohammed and I'm going to explain to you how I got my monthly payments for a car that I'm purchasing in August of 2021. So I first began by setting up my data, which is the car sale price, down payment, loan amount, interest rate, number of months, monthly payments, the total amount I paid for the car, and the cost of finance. So first, the car sale price is $16,590. My down payment is $5,000. So in order to get the loan amount, I just used the equal sign of the car sale price subtracted by the down payment, and that is how I got my loan amount. So my interest rate would be 5%, and the number of months it's going to be 48 months, which is 4 years. In order to get my monthly payment, I use the PMT function, which is the interest rate divided by 12 to get the monthly interest rate, comma, the number of payments period, which is 48, comma, the negative sign, because you need to, in Excel, you need to use a negative in order to get a positive. So I use the negative sign, then the loan amount, okay, so my PMT function that I use is equal PMT, open parentheses, B5 divided by 12, comma, B6, comma, negative B4. And that is how I got my monthly payment of $266.38. To get my total amount paid for my car, I did equals monthly payment times the number of months plus the down payment. And that is how I got $17,786.47. And the cost of finance, I did the equal sign, the total price I paid for my car subtracted by the price of the car, which is here. And that is how I got my cost of finance. Thank you.